The fake solar eclipse rumors spreading across social media in August 2025 got people panicking about darkness. But some animals actually control light and create their own eclipses every single day. These natural light wizards make human special effects look like amateur magic tricks. Cuttlefish are the ultimate special effects artists with light manipulation abilities that would make Hollywood jealous. They can create moving patterns across their skin that look like rippling shadows or shifting sunlight. Some species produce zebra-like stripes that move in waves across their bodies, creating optical illusions that confuse prey and predators. It's like having a living LD display screen with unlimited creative programming that changes faster than video game graphics. But cuttlefish light control gets even more incredible. They can make themselves completely invisible by matching background colors and textures perfectly. Some species create false shadows on their bodies that make them appear three-dimensional against flat surfaces. They basically invented active camouflage technology that adapts in real time to any environment. Imagine having clothing that automatically matches whatever you're standing next to. Giant Pacific cuttlefish can create hypnotic light shows that mesmerize their prey. They flash bright colors in rhythmic patterns that seem to hypnotize crabs and fish. The prey becomes so focused on the light display that they don't notice the cuttlefish approaching for the kill. It's like using laser light shows as hunting weapons. Fireflies are nature's original LED light designers with biological illumination that puts human technology to shame. Different firefly species create unique flashing patterns that work like personal identification codes. Some flash once every few seconds, others create rapid strobe effects, and some species synchronize their flashing across entire forest areas. It's like having a natural light festival that happens every summer night in your backyard, but firefly light production is incredibly efficient. Their bioluminescence is 96% efficient, meaning almost all energy gets converted to light with minimal waste heat. Human LED bulbs are only about 20% efficient by comparison. Fireflies solved the energy efficiency problem millions of years before humans invented electric lighting. Some tropical firefly species create synchronized light displays involving thousands of individuals. Entire trees flash in perfect unison, creating natural Christmas light shows that can be seen for miles. Scientists still don't fully understand how they coordinate these massive synchronized performances without any central control system. Deep-sea anglerfish use bioluminescent lures to create their own portable spotlights in the darkest parts of the ocean. Their glowing fishing poles contain colonies of light, producing bacteria that create steady illumination for hunting. It's like having a built-in flashlight that never needs batteries and automatically attracts food to your location. But anglerfish light control varies by species and hunting strategy. Some create steady glows, others flash intermittently, and some species can dim or brighten their lights based on hunting conditions. Deep-sea species living at different depths use different light colors because blue light travels farther in ocean water while red light gets absorbed quickly. Male anglerfish are tiny compared to females, and some species have evolved to become permanent parasites attached to females. They essentially become living sperm packets that don't need their own light systems because they rely on their giant female partners for illumination. Vampire squid create one of the most spectacular light displays in the ocean depths. When threatened, they avert their arms inside, out and display hundreds of bioluminescent photophores that create a living constellation of lights. It's like transforming into a glowing alien creature that confuses predators through pure visual overwhelming. But vampire squid light shows serve multiple purposes. The bright flashing can startle predators and provide escape opportunities. The lights also create false targeting information, making predators attack the wrong body parts while the squid escapes in another direction. Some deep-sea creatures use bioluminescence for communication across vast ocean distances. They create light signals that can be seen by others of their species from hundreds of feet away in complete darkness. Flashlight fish have specialized organs under their eyes that contain bioluminescent bacteria. They can control these biological headlights by covering them with skin flaps, essentially creating underwater flashlights that turn on and off. Some species use their lights for communication, others for hunting, and some create coordinated group displays. But flashlight fish light control is incredibly sophisticated. They can adjust brightness levels, create different flashing patterns, and coordinate with other fish to create group light shows. Some species gather in large schools where hundreds of fish create synchronized, flashing displays that can be seen from the surface. Crystal jellies are transparent animals that create some of the most beautiful light displays in the ocean. They produce green fluorescent protein, a GFP, that glows under certain light conditions. Scientists have extracted this protein and use it in medical research and biotechnology applications. These jellies basically invented fluorescent lighting that humans now use in laboratories worldwide. But crystal jelly light production serves specific survival purposes. The fluorescence may help confuse predators or serve as a warning signal. Some jellies can control their fluorescence intensity based on environmental conditions. While humans spread fake eclipse rumors and panic about temporary darkness, these animals have mastered light control and manipulation for millions of years. They create their own eclipses, light shows, and special effects without needing any technology, electricity, or social media to share their incredible abilities.